Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing Flood Escape, so hope you enjoy. Flood Escape 2. So let's get started. I have not played Flood Escape 2 for a while. I don't remember the last time I played it actually. But yeah, we will be playing. And yes, I'm sorry, I suck at this game. Here. Please don't blame me.
Hopefully nothing bad happens.
Yeah.
Well, not bad.
I suck. Bye.
Hopefully I don't fail miserably on camera. Okay. No, I'll beat you. I will beat. No. Dang it. Okay. I'll just let them get it. Looks like they got it. I'll get this one though. Unless somebody's already there. Somebody was already there. Okay. Let's go. Jump there. Okay. Ooh. Oh no. Oh goodness gracious. No. Holy. I am not really good at this. Everybody, I am surprisingly really bad at this game. It is official. No, and I can't do it. This was like an easy, I think. Okay, well, now I'm dead. Oh, great. Okay. Ooh. That was not fun. That was a normal. I'll spectate this guy. Is he dead? Or what's happening? Is he not dead? Okay. How is he not dead? What? Question mark? Okay. This one's a hard. I hope we can do this. Oh my gosh. I am not doing it. Okay, I'll get that. And usually I like to go in later than usual, so other people can get this stuff. I'm just kidding. I'll just go in. Oh gosh. Holy. I am not doing this. Wait. Hold on a second. How do I go up? Am I like... How do I go up? What? Wait, hold on a second. Am I not able to go up? Well, I'm... Oh my gosh, no. What? How can I not go up? That is weird. That is really, really weird. Should I okay, I'm not gonna go in. No, it's insane. Yes, I need to. No, I missed Gloomy Manor. Ugh. Okay, wait. I think I go here. Yeah. Oh, it's space. That's right. It's space. Ugh. You know what? Okay, I just unlocked it, so let's see this. I'm just gonna spectate. Hopefully we can do this insane. Well, the next insane. I am struggling at this game. Okay. Oh yes, a video with two special guests actually, maybe one, no, two. There will be a video with two special guests. It's gonna be on my channel. So that will be soon, so keep your eyes out for that. And we are gonna post a video on Hero Clan really soon. Really soon. We're still just preparing for it. We're trying to get a lot of heroes in it. So we're just preparing for it. But yeah, we're planning on doing that. Should be a good time. Hope it's enjoyable for you guys. Yeah, I'm really excited for it.
it's gonna be awesome. Hopefully. Oh, this guy is gonna do it. He got it. He got it. He got it. Yeah, he did it. Let's go. Gloomy Manor. One of the easy, I guess, insanes. When I used to play this a lot, I've done it a lot, but again, I got a new account because my old one is now gone. So, yeah, I lost progress, but I'm good with the progress that I now have. Okay, abandoned facility. Let's go. Let's get it. I'll go down here. Holy. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Easy. Okay, now I just need to wait for this to come. Okay, sweet. What the? That was. Did I not? What? Did I not get the little. What? I don't think I got the air bubble thing. Dang it! Oh, come on. This guy is dead. This girl is not dead. And she is not going fast either. Okay. Come on, you got it. You got it. Jump there. Jump right there. Yes, you're doing it. Yes. Yes, she did it. Now just jump there. Ooh, ooh. Oh, yeah. Skills. Skills. They got them skills. They got them skills. Oh, gosh. Sinking ship. I've done this by myself once. I went to testing. Like, that. I don't know what it's called. I forgot. Yeah, but I don't think I have it anymore. I don't have it in me. Come on, open up. Okay, come on. Okay, now this is the hard part right here. The really hard part, actually. You gotta have your parkour be precise. Okay, here we go. Come on. Come on. No! No, dang it, dang it, dang it, no! I was so close there. Okay, I still can do it, I think. Yeah, I can still do it here. Come on. Oh, yes, okay. Almost at the end. Holy, oh my gosh, I couldn't see there. I need to go into first person next time. Hopefully the next one is Sinking Ships too. Sinking Ship is a fun one. Very entertaining as well. Not entertaining, just enjoyable. Very enjoyable. But yes, it is indeed insane. So yes, it's insane. So don't know what I can do about that. Okay. Please be something I haven't done once yet. Well, I mean, one insane yet. What is it gonna be? Familiar ruins. Oh, I can do this. This is gonna be easy. I've done this so many times, and I still fell there. I'm bad with those things right there. Oh, that's right. You have to go right here. Okay. Now one there. Now one there. Let's go up here. Now up here. Okay, sweet. Let's go. Oh yes, I love this. This reminds me of like Hotel. But this one is actually
harder. Oh, what? That was lava? Okay. Well, that was okay. Yeah, somebody lock it. I don't have enough for it. I'm not spending Robux on this. Okay. Lock. Please. Please be tower like dark side forest. Okay. I want to like lava tower. That's like my favorite hard of all time. Sweet. Oh, okay. Everybody just goes up, even though only one person needs to get it. Nobody cares. Okay, that is 3. Committed suicide there. Okay, I think I have time for one more. One more. Just one more, everybody. One more. My mic was like right next to my mouth. Yeah, one more. One more. One more. One more. One more, y'all. One more. Okay, yeah.
Everybody, grab your
dance, well,
popcorn.
This is the best part. Get ready. This is the best part. I'm telling you. Here we go. Okay. Yes, preach, Tiger. Preach.
Okay, guys, preach.
There because I missed.
You missed lava tower.
So,
Come on, you're better than that, Tiger. Come on, preach. Keep preaching.
Good life, everybody. Make it a good one, and see you next time. And thanks for watching. Even though it just said that before me.
Goodbye.